Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. My name is Caitlin, but you can call me KB. Today's video, I will be starting my at-home coffee bar. A couple months ago, I bought a espresso machine. I've been wanting to make like a coffee bar to go with it, but I've been lazy, and I've also been trying to get my finances back right after, you know, spending the check on the espresso machine. I just wanted to talk about some of the stuff that I got at Ikea. It's really not a lot. I thought it was a lot when I was in there, and I thought I was just throwing a whole bunch of stuff in there, and then I got home and I was like, what did I really spend all my money on? But I got these cute little jars. So I have a big one that's gonna be for the like the espresso beans. And then this one, I don't really know what it's gonna be for. Maybe matcha, but matcha is expensive, so I don't think I'm gonna even fill this up. But we'll see. It was cute. I got these cute little ones. These are gonna be for like the sugar. There's 4 of them, so I said sugar, brown sugar, mocha powder, and cinnamon. This is for like the actual station, so to put all this stuff on so it doesn't just look like it's all kind of spread out on the table. I also have the shelves that are gonna go up on the walls. I don't know if I'm gonna put them like right on top of each other like this, or if I'm gonna stagger them like this. And I like how you can kind of see the vibes against that wall. So what do you guys think? I'm gonna go ahead and start building, and I'm gonna link all this stuff in the description box. Well, here's the tabletop. It really wasn't that hard to put together. I would prefer for everything to be done when I buy it, but it really wasn't that difficult. The hardest part is the legs because they're adjustable, so it was very hard to get them to be the same exact length, and I still don't think it's completely even, but I'll just adjust it later. I just got lazy. I also don't know how I feel about the length. I did want it to be pretty tall because I think I want to put bar stools under it and make it a real like bar vibe, but we'll get to that point later. So this is what it looks like so far with the shelves put up. I definitely eyeballed it, so let's start there. I promise it's straight in person. I think the top one looks a little more crooked in the camera. Regardless, once we put the stuff on there, it's gonna be something that you won't notice. I promise. I don't know why. It looks more crooked in the camera, but in person it's perfectly fine. actually a real plant and it's dying, by the way. It's my first plant. I officially became a plant mom like 2 months ago. And if anybody has any pointers, I think the soil is bad. I don't know why, I might have overwatered it. So if you have any tips, please let me know. All right, and back to the video. All right, so here is the official setup. Give you guys a little tour. So here is my necessities. So right here I have my cute little fake plant. Those 2 containers are going to be for syrups. I just haven't ordered any yet. Here are my espresso beans. This bigger container is brown sugar. That's something I use the most, so that's why I put it in the bigger container. Here is my cinnamon, sugar, and mocha powder, and then my 2 cute little stirring spoons. I am thinking, I don't know if I want to label them. I kind of like them unlabeled. I don't like it to look too professional, but we'll see. Here is my espresso machine. I love it so much. You know, just some cute little decorations. Here's my tamping station. I'll probably have to move that to the front, but just for, you know, aesthetic purposes, I'll put it to the side. Here are my cute little mugs. I got most of them from Amazon, except for, well, actually I got half from Amazon. So these 2 from Amazon and these 2 from Ikea. And then there is my pour over and my cute little mugs. And that is my setup.